Morning everybody. Just out for a wee walk. It's another wee walk. And this morning we're back up in the Cairngorms, and as you see we just left from the Linadee car park, headed down over the White Bridge, and we're heading up to do a couple of quite remote munros, and we're up in that direction about there. So I left quite early this morning. Well, I stayed in the van last night at the Linadee car park, so I got up an early start, so it's just after 6 in here. I was just looking at this wee bothy that's been refurbished. Absolute cracking. Absolute cracking. I think they're still working on it, but it's obviously got it's habitable, because it looks as if there have been people staying in it. I'll just take you and show you. Can you see, please? It's all been clad. Ceilings and the walls. Lovely big fireplace there. Look it up. So, got the bike way this morning. So got a wee bit of cycling still to do, and a couple of wee river crossings, but the rivers are so low it shouldn't be problematic, and I think that's one of the issues with doing this walk, is you need to make sure you can get across the river crossings. So, there's another wee bit here. There's a wee bit there. I'll leave that no light up there in case somebody's in it. Anyway, making moves now anyway, further up the track, and get you when we get to the Gildy Lodge, the ruins at Gildy Lodge, and drop the bike off. Right, let's go. Oh. So that's us at the wee ruins. It's Gildy Lodge. No lot left it. Couple of wee gable ends and a wee lean-to shed, which looks as if it's not got a couple of winters left in it. Anyway, that's us here. It's kind of clearing up now. There has been some low-lying cloud, but it's clearing up. So a wee drink here, stash the bike, quick bite to eat, and then we'll head up our hills. Fantastic. I think all in. The guide says about between I think 11 and 13 hours to do this walk, but the bike saves a bit of time, so I'm not sure. But anyway, a quick drink and we'll go up the hill, stash the bike. So there's a wee cairn here, and the path going away off into the heather. There's a slightly bigger cairn just up there, but that's where we'll come back from, rejoin this path. You can go your way, clockwise or anti-clockwise. I don't think it matters too much. I'm just going to go the anti-clockwise route and just continue up here, but that's roughly where you come back and head back to the lodge. So I'm just going to go the anti-clockwise route. And see there's another wee cairn here. You see it just there. Anyway, continue along the road.
Straight for 7.5 kilometres.
So I'm just got to carry on along this route and come back that way. Aye, lovely, lovely day. That's a good wee view of our first hill up there, and then we spin around and then we're heading up into the blue sky just up there behind me, just over my shoulder. So that's that, beautiful. So down here, straight up there, and then just basically follow the skyline up to this one up here. Absolutely fantastic. Just stopped here for a wee breather. And just looking back, you can see the path away in the distance. But that section through there is pretty much pathless. I couldn't find a path. Kind of boggy, peat hags, but it's really dry today, so it's not so bad. But I can imagine that's a bit of a nightmare when it's really wet. Aye, right across here. I just aimed for a bit of the hill and just made a straight line right across, but aye. No path, just heather bashing. I've picked up a faint path, but nothing much. So I'm just making for a point in the ridge and heading up. Oh, this feels so remote here. This feels so remote. I haven't seen a soul yet, but it feels so remote. Right, gotta move on. Gotta move on up here. I'll show you where I'm going. Just up there, just heading for that skyline. Right, let's go, let's go.
Carn, the rocky hill of the Fiddler, standing at 994 metres.
So this is our first munro. Lovely, absolutely gorgeous, and it feels so remote here. I think 4 hours to get here, so quite a bit of walk. But and a cycle as well, right enough. But it's still early, so I'm just going to push on over to the second munro, which I'll just show you is right in front of us. Oh, just right over here, right over my shoulder. So go down to the wee Belach and then straight back up. So we're going down kind of that way, straight back up. So I gotta move on, we'll get a tea over there, so that's that. So that's the first one done. Quite a bit out of the way. It feels so far away, if anything. But the views are amazing. But the clouds coming in behind us over here, so I'm going to get a wee move on. Right, let's go, next one. That's me down at the Belach between the two hills. I'm chasing the cloud because our first hill now is in the cloud, or it was a second ago. But you just skip right round the side there, down here, and I guess making our way right up there. I'm sure there's a path of some sorts, but get through this kind of peat hag bit first. But I'm definitely chasing the weather, coming in from this side, so I'm not hanging about. Straight up, right, let's go. Oh, my walk sticks. So that's us taking up most of the height for that, for the second munro. you can see over there, that's the second munro over there, right along the skyline, and then you come down quite steep. It's a bit of grassy slope, and then through a through a bog, but it's bone dry now, but I'd imagine it'd be super wet. Peat hags, and I lost the path, or I couldn't find if there was a path. But you soon pick up, well, you don't soon pick up a path, you pick up a path about 2/3 of the way up, or I did anyway. Faint path, and I've just been following that up, so we're nearly up at the top of the second munro. It's pretty straightforward. There's rain over there, you can see it, a big band of rain, so been lucky with the weather. Hopefully I can go off the hill if it does rain. I'd rather have it on the bike the way back than up here, but aye, definitely some rain over in the glen over there, so that's why I've been motoring on, trying to get around this quick. Right, a couple of minutes and we'll bump at the next one. Right, let's go. Let's go.
And Sgarsoch, the place of sharp rocks, standing at 1,006 metres.
So that's us at our second munro. Amazing, fantastic. Great wee walk, pretty straightforward since over that first munro it's just a grassy lump. So this, so we'll show you, over there, that's our first munro where we came from. There's a lot of rain in that glen over there, so I'm going to just start heading back, grab a bite to eat, and I'll get you to Gildea Lodge where we'll pick the bike up and head back. It's a long walk, I think it's 42 kilometres all in, so it's quite a big day, but the views are amazing. The views are absolutely amazing. Anyway, head back, get you to Gildea Lodge. So this is back at the wee cairn we've seen this morning for that wee path, and we've came round about that hill there, come round and down. As far as the descent goes, there's a path in bits, it comes and goes, but pretty much so there's a good path round this wee lump here, but other than that it's pretty much heather bashing, which is fine in a way doing, but now that I've done it, I'm glad I went the anti-clockwise route, because there's quite a walk up that first or the second munro that way. So I'm glad I've done it the clockwise route, but you could do it anyway. It's 6 2/3, but quite a lot of heather bashing, and quite a lot of pathless sections. So make sure you know where you're going. I'm sure you will. Anyway, we're on this lovely path now, all the way back to Gildea Lodge. This is great. You feel as if you've done that hard bit of the walk, the 2 munros, and this is just the walk back. I never had much to eat up there, so I'm going to properly sit and have something to eat at Gildea Lodge. So come on, we'll get our tea there, we'll get some nice biscuits and cheese and a wee bit of pasta and juice. Oh, I can't wait. Right, let's go, Gildea Lodge, 10 minutes down the road. Let's go. So that's me, back on the bike, heading back to the van. So a big long drive back, big long cycle back, and get you back at the van with times and distances and stuff like that. It's just the same as we've seen coming in, so Get back at the van by the magic of tail. That's me back at the car. Aye, 42 kilometres, 9 hours, which is a reasonable time, I think. Quite good time, quite pleased with that. And I think that's the longest munro walk I've done. For 2 munros, 42 kilometres. So I'm quite happy with that. But it was a great day. It was well worth getting an early start and getting out in the hill before it get too late. But I never seen a single soul. The whole place to myself. I seen some people just at the weighbridge on the way back, but other than that it was empty. But great wee walk. I didn't do as much footage. Forgot my tripod, so a wee short video. But I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Hope there's something in there you like and get some nice scenes and gives you an idea of the route if you've got to do it yourself. But anyway, got to head home now, get a wee drink and make a move. Thanks very much. I'll catch you next time. Judy, bye, 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 bye.